Today, we are going to discuss about extension methods in C#. So, what are extension methods? How to create extension methods? We'll see. Without modifying the existing functionality, adding the new feature or add-on to the existing functionality is called extension method. Means there is already a existing functionality which is working as expected. Okay, so now you should not modify the existing thing. On top of that, you can add extra thing that is called extension method. For example, I have a basic phone, right? So voice calling, SMS is there. Okay, two functions are there. Now I want to add one more functionality. For example, video calling. So because of this should not get any effect. Okay, this is already implemented given by the library. So on top of that, you want to add one extra functionality that is called extension method. So how to create extension method? How? By using static class in a static method. We'll go for extension method. Okay. Let me take customer 6. Method example. Okay, now, so for example, I have a method like this. Now what I'll do, I'll create a main method here. So for example, I have a string str equals yes. Okay. Now if you print this, it will print the same. For example, you want to convert how to convert a str charge. So there is a function to create it to uppercase. I want to convert to lower. Okay. Now let me run this. So I print the string. I convert to upper. I convert to lower. Now the output is first as it is, then it converted to uppercase, it converted to lowercase. Now I have a requirement. So this is existing functions. The two upper, two lower, like this. Okay. Now my requirement is to I want to convert the first letter to uppercase, remaining as it is. So we don't have any function like that. So now this is string function. Okay, if you go here, this is the DLL, which is DLL. It is system dot string system namespace string class. We have methods like this: compare, concat, equals, format, join, copy, index, replace, split, to lower, to upper. Okay. So these things we have used. Now we don't have first letter upper. Okay. So now we need to create on top of this. For this, what I'll do, I'll create a public static class my string extension. Some name you give, class name. And as we discussed, by using static class in a static method with this keyword. Using this, we'll implement the extension method. We have created a static class and we need a static method. So, static. First method upper. The method will create. So, and it should take this string file. So now what I'll do? So I want to split into two parts. This value. Okay, first part string first letter equals val dot substring of 0, 1. String second letter equals val dot substring of 1, val dot length minus 1. Now return first letter plus remaining letter. Now first letter we need to convert to upper dot to upper. So this is my extension method. Now, so it should come like a framework method now. Okay, how to upper to lower are coming. Similarly, same way, console dot write line str dot first letter upper, right? It is coming similarly same like a framework class method, right? This is called extension method.